Okay, hi friends. I know this is a weird angle, but I'm trying to show you step by step the empty tomb paper plate craft. All right, so step one, cut the paper plate in half. So see, I had a whole paper plate, cut it in half. All right. Step two, color the angel. See how I colored the angel? Up close. And color Jesus. Okay? And you don't have to color yours exactly like mine. Color yours the way you would like. Step three, cut out the angel. As you can see, I just rough cut. You don't have to cut it exact. So just rough cut the angel, Jesus, and the circle. Okay? Step four, staple or tape Jesus onto the top of 1/2 of the paper plate. So as you can see, I took the half and I just taped mine. All right? So I taped into the top. Step five, on the same half, you're going to color the inside of the paper plate completely yellow. Don't worry about the ridges. That's not going to show. All right? Step six. Now this part, I think I cut it way too big. It says cut an opening on the other half of the paper plate. So I almost followed the ridge that's on there, and I think it's a little too big. If I were you, I would cut it a little smaller. You could always then hold it up. Now my yellow is covered, but I think it's a little too big proportionally to the stone. So I would have an adult, or if mom or dad want to draw you a line and you can go ahead and cut it, that's fine, but I would make it a little bit smaller. I think I made my opening too big. Color the back of this plate. So notice, see how this is where you would put your food. So actually the back of the plate, you're going to color like a tomb, color some grass, some flowers. I put a tree. I put a little vine. Okay? Step 8. Now this is the parent part, or an adult. Here's your brad fastener. Parents, I took a scissor. Be very careful. I've cut myself many times, so be very careful. I made a teeny hole in the stone, and then I made a teeny hole in the plate, and then just put your brass fastener through the 2 holes and open up the wings. All right, and then that's how you have your movable stone. Step 9, glue the angel on the same plate. So I'm going to go ahead and glue my angel. I would put glue on your angel, okay? And just put it at the bottom, sort of at the bottom to the middle, okay? I'm going to glue my angel down, all right? And then, glue the angel on the same plate as the stone in the opening. And then step 10, staple or tape the 2 halves together, okay? So even if you accidentally cut the opening too big, or you could even, like I said, I would cut it a little smaller. I think I definitely made my opening too big, because you could always cut it, and then if you're like, oh, I would like it to be a little bit bigger, you could always cut more. But I cut too much and I can't put it back on. So I would definitely cut a little smaller. So then step 10, staple or tape the 2 halves together. I'm going to go ahead and staple mine. And as you can see, I put the 2 sides together that you would eat on. I hope that makes sense. Okay, so like you see, here's the back, and this is the back. So the 2 parts that you would normally put your food on, I put them together. And there's your empty tomb craft. All right, I hope you enjoyed it. I really enjoyed it. I loved making it. And it's a great reminder of the story of Easter, the true story that Jesus came, died on the cross for our sins, and then 3 days later he rose again. And when the women went to the tomb, remember they saw an angel, And they said that Jesus is not here, for he has risen. Okay? Have fun, guys. Have a great day.